Hello everyone. So how do we share screen on a WhatsApp video call? Watch it till the end. Now, you gotta call someone, make a video call. So I'm calling, do it your way. As the other person picks up the call, you see many options on lower area. You click on three dots and here is an option of share screen. Right. If you click on send message, then you will have your chat back. But if you click on share screen, your screen will be shared. So I have clicked it and now it is asking me to switch to video call because only then my screen will be shared. Right. So I clicked on switch to video call. The other person will also have to give permission for video call, requesting to switch to video call. So let's wait for the other person to switch it, and we will again have to click on three dots which we can see besides the video option. Now that the person has picked up, I clicked on three dots and clicked on share screen. Now as this is the first time I'm doing, it is asking me screen sharing on WhatsApp is also private, always private. So here are some things mentioned, you can pause it and read it out. So I click on continue. Now the text written is about actually telling you that everything is safe, whatever is shared on the screen or with WhatsApp is purely between the two people that are on the video call, right? So I click on that again. Now I start recording, means I don't record it, the WhatsApp will record my screen, right? So start recording or casting with WhatsApp. So it means it is telling that I give access to the information on my screen as it will be now shared with the other person also. So I click on start now. You can pause and read the text as well. As I click on start now, this is what I will see, that there are three screens. One is of my phone which can be now shared with the other person. Other is the as we are on video call, so it's mine and other person's camera that is showing. Now
Right.
whatever I will do on my screen will be visible to me and the other person, and I can play any video, I can play games, I can show something, or you can just study, do your assignments, and that's how we use this feature of sharing your screen on a video call. If I want to stop the recording, I can by clicking on the same things, and it is asking me to stop sharing my screen. It will take some time and it will go back to normal video call. And you can also switch off video call, that I told you in previous videos. So that's how we do it. So usually people don't do it, but if you want to watch something or something like that, you can do it, and you can share your screen and stop the sharing again. Yeah, very easy, very simple. See you in the next video. Till then, watch the previous videos. Ta-da!